All right, there's another round of the 10-minute warm-up. And to get this started, bring yourself down onto your back. So once you bring this down, just keep your feet on the floor about hips width. And we'll go back and forth just curling up. And this isn't a sit-up. I want you to curl your spine and round this forward as much as you can. So to start this out, take an inhale, reach your arms out long past your head. And then with the exhale, reach forward and lift your shoulders up as high as you can. Back and forth, inhale, reach this out long. Exhale, curl forward. Inhale, roll out, reach long. Exhale, curl forward again. Inhale, roll this out. Exhale, curl forward. Inhale, roll out long. Exhale, curl forward again. Inhale, roll this out. Exhale, curl, bring your shoulders up high. Inhale, roll this out. Exhale, curl forward again. Inhale, roll out long. And exhale, curl forward. Inhale, roll out long. Exhale, curl forward one more time. And with your next inhale, roll this out long, reach past your head, and keep your arms reaching. And just ground the shoulders to the floor, backs of the hands down, palms up. Feet hips width, bring your heels in close. We're going to bridge from here, so bring your heels in close enough that your low back's basically flat. And just keep looking up toward the ceiling. With an inhale, press your feet, lift your hips, squeeze your glutes. And then roll your spine down. Push into the floor, hips up high. Roll back down. Press into the floor, lift up again. Roll your spine down. Push into the floor, hips high. And roll back down. Push into the heels, lift your hips. Bring it back down. Press into the floor, hips up high. And roll this down. Push into the floor, lift up and hold this time. Now keep your glutes squeezing. Press the heels down, lift your toes up off the floor. Try to drag the heels in toward the shoulders and just stay lifted like this. Hold the tension. Take an inhale. With the exhale, roll all the way back down. Now once you're down, bring your knees to your chest and bring your hands to your knees. Squeeze everything in. And then go ahead and extend all four limbs up toward the ceiling. Stay loose. Roll out your wrists and ankles. Move your fingers and toes. And just let your knuckles crack if they need to crack. Now keep your belly pulled in. Keep your low back down. And then straighten up. Reach the fingertips and toe tips toward the ceiling. High as you can. Now holding your limbs as straight as possible. Just scissors side to side. Go back and forth and reverse the cross as you're moving. Keep the low back on the floor. Just keep the movement steady. And then come back to center, limbs vertical. And then go ahead, lift your head and shoulders, bring your hands behind your head. And use enough pressure here, so stay lifted. And take the strain out of your neck so you can keep your gaze forward toward your thighs, elbows out wide. Now bring your knees into your chest, curl everything in tight. And then back and forth from here, twisting. So twist to the left, right elbow to your left knee, but extend your right leg forward. You can extend up if it's easier. And then come back into center. Go slow. Twist right, left elbow to right knee, left leg forward. And then come back to center. Keep your shoulders lifted the whole time. Right leg extends, twist to the left again. And then come back to center. Left leg forward, twist to the right. Back to center here. Twist left, extend the right leg. Come back into center. Twist right, extend your left leg. And then back to center. Twist left, right leg forward. Back to center. Twist right, left leg forward. And back to center. Twist left, right leg forward again. Back to center. Twist right, left leg forward. And back to center. Twist left, right leg forward. Now hold here. Right elbow to the left knee. Keep your right leg as straight as you can. And then pulse the right heel up and down as you hold the twist. On my count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to center. And take it the other way. Twist right. Extend the left leg forward and hold. Left elbow to right knee. Left leg forward. Pulse the left heel up and down. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. And keep the hands behind your head, but bring everything back down to the floor. Elbows wide, shoulders down. Set your feet down, hips width. And then from here, just twist back and forth. Fold the knees to the right. And then to the left, just loosen up your midsection as your legs are moving. And then the next time you turn the knees to the right side, keep them there. Push down, work to lift the right hip up off the floor. Just engage the tension toward lifting. And then let that go. Bring your knees through center to the left. Push down. And see about lifting your left hip up off the floor. And then go to release. Bring this back down. Knees to chest, hands to knees. Squeeze everything in tight. Lift your head and shoulders. Bring your nose close to your knees. And then cross at the ankles. Roll this up to a seat. And then once you're up, we're going to come into setup reverse tabletop. But for this, I want you to bring the forearms all the way down to the mat. So your elbows are down. Now you can have the hands flat or make your hands into fists. Push your hands into the floor. And you should always feel that stretch to the front of the shoulders and across your chest at least a little bit. Now bring the feet in close enough that you can press your feet straight down into the floor. Lift your hips up just a little bit. And as you push down, squeeze your glutes. Lift up high as you can. Feel that stretch across your chest. Sink your hips down. Press into the floor. Lift up again. And sink down. Push to the floor. Lift up. Sink down again. Hips up high, squeeze your glutes, and sink back down. Lift your hips, keep your hands pushing into the floor. Sink back down. Press your hips up again, and then come down. Lift up like this one more time. Now sink down, but keep your seat up off the floor. Keep your hands pushing down, and look forward. To take this further, keep the left foot flat. Extend your right leg straight, bring the heel to the floor. We're going to go back and forth, kicking the right leg up. Keep your chest pushing up. Now kick your right leg up for 1, and then bring the heel down. Up for 2, bring the heel down. Up for 3, bring it down. Up for 4, and then down. Up for 5. Now bring the foot down and then switch. Set the right foot flat. Keep your seat lifted. Left leg forward with the heel on the floor. Kick your left leg up for 1. And bring the heel down. Up for 2, and bring the heel down. Up for 3, come down again. Up for 4, and bring it down. Up for 5, bring it down. And then set that foot flat. Set yourself all the way down. Bring yourself up to a seat. Just roll your shoulders out. Shake out your hands a little bit. When you're ready, cross at the ankles. Come forward and come into all fours. And we're going to go ahead and take this into the wrist. Now keep your hips stacked over your knees. Bring the hands within 2 hands lengths of your knees and go as close as you like. Make your hands into fists. 4 fingers in your palms, thumbs outside. And with your hands shoulder width, push down like you're punching into the floor with both hands. Now keep your fingers curled in, but go side to side. Bend the right wrist. Come to the back of the right hand. You can bend the elbow. And then lift up onto the knuckles. Down on the back of the left hand. And then lift up. And just keep on going side to side like this. Just take it at your own pace. Keep the fingers curled in. Now the next time the back of the right hand comes down, keep it down. Come to the back of the left hand as well. Try to straighten your arms as much as you can, but keep the fingers squeezing in. With your hands set wide like this, go from up to down. Bend the elbows wide, sink your chest down low. And then press up towards straight. Sink down again. And then lift up and keep on lowering and lifting. Now as you're doing this, keep your fingers curled in. Let that stretch move to the backs of the hands, the wrists up under the forearms. And then the next time you try to straighten your arms, just hold here. Take an inhale. And then with the exhale, come up onto the fingertips, down to sitting on your heels. And then just shake your hands out for a moment. All right, when you're ready, come back to all fours, and we're going to take this into a forearm plank. So I want you to bring both forearms down. Keep the elbows at shoulder width and step your feet back. Bring your body into line. Feet about hips width distance apart. Keep your hands pushing down, and then just start to move straight forward and back. Press your toes down. Now shift straight forward. Bring your head as far forward as you can, and then press straight back. Forward for 2, and come back. Forward for 3. Shift back again. Forward for 4. And then back. Forward for 5. Now come back one more time. Stay here. And then roll the heels to the right. Come up onto your left hand. Keep your hips lifted. This is enough, and you can stay like this. Hold the tension. If you want to take it further, stretch your left arm past your head. And if you're going to move, we'll go back and forth. Right leg moving from underneath. So keep your left foot pushing into the floor. Take an inhale. Exhale, left elbow to right knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to 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 knee one more time. Now bring it back to center, back to the forearm plank. And then switch sides. Roll your heels left, come up onto your right hand, keep your hips high. If you want to take it further, stretch your right arm past your head. Keep your right foot pushing down. If you're going to move, the left leg moves from underneath. So take an inhale. Exhale, right elbow to left knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee again. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee one more time. And then come back to that forearm plank. And then bring your knees down. Come up to all fours. Take a couple breaths here. All right, and one more thing before we move on. We'll take a push-up variation. So keep your hips stacked over your knees, but bring your knees together. Tuck the toes of both feet, but keep your knees down. Hands are shoulder width. Rotate your fingers to the sides, middle fingers right or left about 45 degrees. And we're going to go back and forth, keeping the elbows bent. Now to start, just shift your weight straight back. Bend the elbows back so the forearms stay parallel. Bring the elbows to the floor. Arms will stay bent. I want you to think chaturanga here with the elbows squeezing into your sides. Now look forward. And then let's take it back and forth. So shoulders forward. Squeeze the elbows toward the ribs. Come as far forward as you can. Pull back and bring the elbows to the floor. Shift forward again for 2. Keep your elbows squeezing in. And then pull straight back. Forward again. Squeeze the elbows to your ribs. Pull straight back again. Forward again. Elbows to your ribs. And then pull straight back. One more time. Forward. Elbows to your ribs. Pull straight back again. And then come up to straight arms for a moment and breathe. Now we're going to do 2 more sets like that, and if this is challenging enough, just stay with this and just work to get the shoulders as far forward as you can. If you want to take this even further, much harder is to keep your toes tucked and hover your knees. Same movement with the arms. Now when you're ready, bring the elbows to the floor, bring your seat back to your heels, and then back and forth, look forward. Shoulders forward, elbows toward your ribs, and then come straight back, elbows down. Shoulders forward, elbows in for 2, and then bring it straight back again. Shoulders forward, elbows to the ribs for 3. Bring it straight back. Shoulders forward, elbows in for 4. And then come straight back. Shoulders forward, elbows in for 5. Come straight back again. Set your knees down if they're lifted. Come back up the straight arms. Take a couple breaths. All right, and then just one more set. And I know this is hard work. This is best you can. You can keep your knees down if you need to. Just keep the arms parallel and bring your shoulders forward. Otherwise, hover the knees. And either way, elbows down and sink back down to the heels. Now back and forth, look forward. Shoulders forward, elbows to your ribs. And then bring it back, elbows to the floor. Shoulders forward, elbows in for 2. And then come straight back. Shoulders forward, elbows in for 3. Bring it back again. Shoulders forward, elbows to the ribs for 4. And bring it straight back. Shoulders forward, elbows in for 5. Pull straight back one more time. Come back up to all fours. Take a couple breaths. All right, and that is a 10-minute warm-up for this round. Thank you very much.